Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of life and health. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful design ideas of how you can design your dresses with the help of hand embroidery, machine embroidery. But that video is not only limited to this. In this video, you are going to get amazing, trendy, crazy, simple and cute designer ideas that how you can design your dresses with the help of stitching as well. So now let's move towards our video. All you could see that different type of light colors, dark theme colors have been used with a wide variety of color combination of thread work to enhance the beauty. As you know that Eid is near, so these dresses are an absolute perfect combo for Eid outfit as well. So do try these patterns, and the beauty of this is you can use for ari work, adda work, and other type of boutique works as well. So formal dresses could be worn on to festivals like Eid, birthday parties, family gatherings, and many more, office meetings and university, college, school parties. So guys, let's not waste our further time and move towards the main content, that which type of material is required to make these whole patterns. You only need embroidery thread, embroidery needle, and an embroidery frame to make the whole beautiful entire pattern. So I guess you are enjoying different type of kurti, front open kurti along with a long slit of buttons have been shown. Band, collar style, long slit line kurtis have been shown, and some kurta style kurtis have been shown. Shirts, kameez, paplum, frocks, and kalidar, different variations have been shown to give you a wide perspective of designing ideas. So with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and trendy ideas. But guys, keep supporting us, keep loving us, and keep watching our content as you always have been. So stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave massive comments below my video. So if you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from other devices as well, so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.